The German twisted cast on is actually very similar to that of long tail cast on. This video assumes that you already know how to do the long tail cast on. To begin, we're going to start with a slip knot. We're going to set up and hold the yarn as if we're going to do the long tail. Instead of bringing up just one strand like you do the long tail cast on, we're going to bring up both strands from your thumb. We're going to dip the right needle, or the only needle, into the thumb hole here. Just dip down. And then we're going to duck the thumb into this C curve here. Just point it down, duck it down like this. And I'll show you from this perspective. So you just duck it down. And then you're going to sweep this strand from the index finger through here, just like you do with the long tail cast on. Actually, let me show you what you do with a long tail cast on, and you can see the similarities. So here's your long tail picking up just one strand. You're skipping the dipping of the needle and the ducking of the thumb, and you go immediately into the last step, which is to sweep this strand from the index finger through. That's your long tail cast on. So with a German twisted, we have actually two extra steps. So this is one difference, but it's still the same step. Bring up both strands. And then extra step number one, dip the tip of the needle into the thumb hole. And extra step number two is to duck the thumb into the C curve here. And then the rest is the same. Follow through like you do long tail cast on. The reason why we need to duck the thumb under is because we need to untwist. So right now I haven't ducked yet, and you can see that the hole, it is twisted, right? You can see that it's twisted once. You can see the cross. It is called the German twisted cast on, but we don't want that twist in there. So to relieve that twist, that's why I'm ducking the thumb under. Now you see that the twist is gone. So here is the original. By ducking my thumb down, I have untwisted. Okay, so let me do the whole thing a couple more times. Set up like long tail, bring up both strands instead of one, dip the tip into the thumb hole, and then now I'm going to untwist by ducking my thumb down into this C curve area, and then this is the part where it's similar or the same as the long tail. 3 more times. So bring up both strands, dip it into the hole, duck down, and then sweep the strands through like so. 2 more times. Both strands up, dip down, untwist by ducking the thumb down, and then follow through. And the last time. Up and dip, duck down, and sweep the strand from the index finger through the hole that you have untwisted. And that is how you do the German twisted cast on.